this is what we're going to do today. We're going to work on the Benelli engines. So the Benelli engine needs to come to bits. So we'll take this to bits. I've already drained the oil out of it, so stop waffling and get on with it. Right, better have a bucket. Sue took all the bits in. Got my little buckets. So these are from Neil. For all those who have been around for a long time and watched us from the beginning, Neil used to be the cameraman, but he's busy now. But he sends us nice plastic tubs to keep all the bits in. So thanks, Neil, you're a star. And if you get any more, mate, I'll always have them.
I don't think there's an if when it's ice cream. I think when.
Yeah, when, true. Yeah, most probably get more this summer.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to take this off.
We had an ice cream yesterday, didn't we?
We did, yes. It was very nice. Excuse me. Yeah, it's just taking the old stator off, which we're not putting back on.
The old what?
The stator, the ignition.
Oh right. Okay.
So we're not using this anymore. We've got a new vape ignition system for it, because these are 6 volt and the new ones are 12 volt. So it means we get a better lights and all that malarkey. Don't need that, but we'll put that back on there just in case we have to follow anything around. What that is. So that's the old one, but ooh, it's worn through, look. So I wonder if that's what's been causing the problem. Could be.
Might be more than one problem.
Oh, there might probably is, yeah. Right, so move those out of the way, and the plugs out. We're not sure whether Stevie's coming today, are we?
No, not really.
He's not said. He's most probably got things to do.
Not round the corner anymore.
No, not round the corner anymore. We better have the right size socket, Susie, because that helps. Oh, hello.
That's an angle.
Starting to check my hair in the mirror. Oh, these all want blasting and repainting, the Sims heads. Well, it has been running at some point. Eh?
I hope so at some point.
Yeah, true. But we didn't know what had happened and why it wasn't running. But I guess it was the ignition. I think he said it got no spark. Can you remember?
No, I can't remember.
Aha. There's a bit of something down there. Ha-ha. I'll move all your stuff out of the way of the toolbox, Sue.
Sorry.
Oh, there we go. Huh. Oh, well, that's a bit of rubbish. I ought to get myself one of them whizzy guns. Let's hope this engine's in better condition than the last one. Well, the other one had got broken piston rings and the gearbox wasn't put back together properly, and all sorts of hassles, wasn't it? And that was supposed to be rebuilt by somebody, but obviously somebody didn't know what the hell they were doing. Not that I do, but it's certainly maybe a little bit more than the person that did it last time. That was on that engine.
Yeah, the green
It's
one.
green Benelli. Yep. So they're off. Yeah, I feel okay. Been leaking a bit round, but that could be from that gasket actually, rather than that one. Anyway, power off. They look great. Yeah, got a bit of wear on them, but they'll be fine. Nothing too dramatic. You're not stuck. I just got to get them silly circlips out of there. Always a pig, but they're not too bad on these ones, because these. Okie dokie. Got the barrels and pistons off. Should have filmed that really, but you know what it's like. You end up covered in blood and and they're a pig to get off. Anyway, so that's all off. We'll start taking the engine to bits now. Take this side cover off first. Ooh, nearly. Ooh. Clutch cover. I've missed one at the top somewhere. Screw, you weren't watching, were you?
No, I was.
You're supposed to be keeping an eye on me, really. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's tight.
So you want me to be camera lady and director?
No, yeah, always. We got this, look.
Benelli clutch. Oh, right.
Yeah. On the grounds that if we start there, look.
So you put the right ones in the right holes so you know where they go.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did I say? Upstairs for thinking, downstairs for dancing. It'll certainly look. Oh, that's on the floor now. It'll certainly look a lot better than what it is at the minute. Get everything cleaned up. New seals and gaskets. I always used to do them out, use those, make them out of cardboard. Those things.
Yeah.
But I thought, well, I was doing this many Benelli engines, I thought I might as well make one out of whatever that is, hardboard.
Yeah. I don't know what it's from.
It was just a bit of something that we'd got while we were doing another job. Come on, mate. That's it. It's had a bit of use, you know, engines, bikes, race engines, because they come to bits quite often, especially while I'm building them. That should be this one. That's on there. There we go. And the bit's missing out of there. Every ruddy time the bit's missing out of there.
Well, how can it run away?
Well, because they don't put them back in.
Oh, last person who had it apart.
Yep.
So what bit is it?
Well, I do believe what happens is, as the engine spins round, the oil drops into that and goes into the gearbox.
Right.
But I mean, it's going to get some in there, but not as, because it sticks out to about here somewhere.
Okay.
Out, you know, to here. So it picks up all the oil that comes off that, and it sort of catches in there. It's sort of, I made a, you know,
So
look.
it works better with it, but it still works without it.
Yeah, but there's the bit that says if you make an aluminium piece out of that, you can fold it and it fits in there.
Right.
So, yeah. Right, let's have the clutch to bits now. Big screwdriver.
What you're doing a bit better for yourself.
Yeah. Wow, that's shiny.
Is that good shiny?
Yeah, unless it's been catching something. But there is no muck in it, you know, no horrible bits of ground down stuff.
Detritus, as Mother would call it.
That's him. Yeah, none of that rubbish. It all looks in so far so good.
You just give me that look. I missed it on the camera.
You did?
So I'm filming you
All right.
doing that.
Right, we'll have another one of Neil's tubs.
Oh, we've got ice cream now. With fluffy
Some.
cakes.
Are we?
Yeah, fluffy
Oh
cakes.
yeah, fluffy cakes. Like fluffy cakes. Sue makes good fluffy cakes.
Make one tomorrow. Because it's somebody's birthday on Saturday.
Is it? Whose birthday is it Saturday?
Oh, I don't know.
This is brand new.
Oh, that does look clean and
That
nice.
is brand spanking new.
Mm.
Wow.
Well, that's good.
It is good. Yeah. Yep. All brand new clutch. Wow. Someone's getting a new clutch.
You kiss it then.
No, smell it. It smells Yeah, it's brand new. Yeah. Feels very graunchy. Not right, graunchy.
Yeah, so it's what it's attached to rather than the clutch itself.
Yeah. Clutch holding tool.
I was going to say, what's that? It looks the right thing.
It is, it's a good thing, this. Like that. Nope, sorry. Okay, I've had a bit of a... I need a new one of these. If anybody knows where I can get one from, please let us know. Because this one's... I made this one. And it's starting to look a bit dog-eared. Ready? Ready? Oh, there you go. Got it. That was good acting, wasn't it? Anybody think that I'd done that for the first time?
You certainly had enough tries beforehand.
I did, didn't I?
Practices.
Practices. Right, so that is a brand new basket and everything. That's a lot of pennies, that is. Oh. Doesn't sound right, but anyway, there you go. Turn that round like that. We'll put that on there like that. And oh, it's got brand new seal in there as well. 7.511. Yeah, these are all new, brand new, look. Wow.
Oh, somebody spent some money on it then.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. But it don't... That feels okay. Right, we'll take the circlip out of there. We'll use our really rubbish circlip pliers again. I've ordered some new ones. Don't tell Sue. I've ordered some new ones. Not very good. See, I only got them out the other day because Steve was here. Oops. There'll be people going, you don't want to do it like that.
Not sure everybody's going to hear you when you whisper.
That's why I'm whispering. We've seen in the past those have been bent. That shaft completely bent.
That was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, it seemed okay. I think there's somewhere. The bike's obviously been crashed and bent all the gear lever. Footrest and gear lever and all that malarkey. And
What is that thing?
it's a gear shaft.
Gears?
It's the thing that changes the gears.
Ah, yeah, I've got
Yep.
it.
Yep. Put that there. That's good. Right, so a 13 and a 10mm T-bar. That's a 10. That should be a 13 there. It's maybe had the clutch off. I don't know about all the bits. They all look fairly. All the bits look fairly clean, but the engine's absolutely filthy on the outside. And you want to put it back like that, would you?
I have no idea.
You just wouldn't. Not if you spent all that money with a new clutch and what have you. Who's the right one? Do you know, I quite like this coat. The only disadvantage are your sleeves.
Yeah. We've got some with cuffs on, haven't we?
Yeah, I do like them. Thank you. Somebody's asked me at any time, have I worked for Vauxhall, and I said no. Never even owned a I never.
Yeah, Corsa.
Oh, of course we did. Yeah, of course we did. Oh dear. Well, that was more your car than mine, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it was our
It was our car.
You used your bikes.
I used the bike. Yeah. Seemed more.
You needed the car to get to work.
Yeah. 14. So what I'll do is, when this is all in bits, I'll clean everything up, and then once it's clean, we'll do another video of us putting it back together again. Bloody hell, they're tight. Yeah.
The engine's pretty tight over it.
Might be. I was trying to keep my work area clean and tidy, Sue.
Sorry, it's just a thought.
I completely agree with you. I will now move all the tools out of the way.
Smug face.
Smug mode. I sent my old mate Gary Noel happy birthday. It was happy birthday the other day for Gary. He's 92 this year. He does look well for 92. He's doing all right. And he sent me a little message back saying, how's things, blah blah blah. I haven't seen any of your videos lately. Well, the reason was, Gary, we've had a lot of trouble with the broadband, haven't we?
Yes.
Which, to be fair, they're outside at the moment mending it. They're putting us a new cable in because it got a hole in it and all the broadband had run away.
It had run away, yeah.
It had run.
There's a hole in the ground.
Now there's a hole, yeah. So, yes, Gary, we're on with it, and now you've had a mention on it as well. We must catch up again this year because, believe it or not, and this is going to come as a shock to a lot of people, it's 40 years since Gary won the 250 European Championship. So 40 years ago this year. Yeah, and I can't remember. I can't remember what the date was for the last round. I think it must have been sometime in September. Because they didn't do that many rounds then. But it was at Assen, and yeah, we walked away with the win, didn't we, mate? Well, I think it was more down to you than anybody else. So yeah, he did, and to be fair, it was a pretty impressive bike, but he was a pretty impressive rider, and
well, it does need the two to go together to win it.
It does, and he keeps telling me that, but you know, you can be a good mechanic with a crap rider and you still be crap, but
yeah. You can be a good rider with a crap mechanic.
You can, and he was lucky that he was a better rider than I was a crap mechanic. So yeah, we must catch up this year, Gary, so please get in touch and we'll
yeah, we'll arrange something, maybe go down.
Yeah, we'll maybe go down to the
that campsite we went to before, that was nice. Where we met Debbie and
yeah, well that was a long way away from.
How was it?
That was miles away from. We can. Well, I'm sure we can find somewhere a little bit closer to the to Gary. Yeah. So that all looks like it could actually come to bits now. I'm just hoping. Well, it will be. Oh, just splitting.
Yeah, I can see it coming apart.
Whee.
Not yet though.
There we go. Just what you always wanted. Ooh, look at all the... Oh, man alive. That's covered in... Can you see all the brass shining in the oil? Can you?
It's well lubricated.
No, but that shouldn't be brass in there.
No.
These are worn.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a hell of a lip on it there, look. They feel all right. Crank out. There we go.
Just needed to help him.
It did. There we go. That's it. So pretty much as they go, ta-da! Engine in bits. So that's ready for a night ride. Good clean up now and check all these selectors and make sure they're doing what they should be doing. And give that a really good clean out, and think about putting it back together. So
what about that lip thing there? Do you have to replace bits?
what's that?
You said there's a horrible lip on these.
Yeah, they just need cleaning up and make sure that I've got some other bits and bobs, so
So might need a few replacements.
might do, might not, we'll see. I'm not sure. It was I need to check that everything's been put back together properly, and we'll go from there. So I think other than a lot of
Shot, yes.
I think other than a lot of cleaning now, which to be fair is probably not worth you watching because that's pretty boring, so we'll call it for today, and me and Susie will crack on and do some cleaning, and well, I think it'd be me. And yep, we'll see you again next time. So thanks for watching. Do the like and subscribe thing if you're enjoying what we're doing, and we'll see you again soon. So bye for now. Say bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
No, you forgot to go bye 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 bye. Bye then, cheers.
Bye.
Clear off, go away.